Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin with a very interesting chapter, Akbar the Great. Now, before I begin the chapter, students, I would like to ask you that how many of you know about Akbar? If I change my question, I must ask that have you ever heard about Akbar? Okay, now don't get tensed. I will tell you about him. Children, Akbar was a descent of the Mughals, means he was one of the greatest rulers of among Mughals who ruled India for about more than 50 years. And do you know who was the first Mughal ruler in India? Yes, Babur was the first Mughal ruler in India, and Akbar was just his descent, as I told you, and he ruled India for more than 50 years, and he was often called as Akbar the Great. Now, children, Akbar was born in the year 1542, and his parents were Mughal Emperor Humayun, and his father was Mughal Emperor Humayun, and his mother was Queen Hamida Banu Begum. And he was just 13 years old, children, when he became ruler. And as I told you, he ruled for about 50 years in India, that is from 1556 to 1605. Now, Akbar expanded his empire by defeating many rulers because he was considered as one of the most powerful rulers of our country. And he defeated Bairam Khan in the second Battle of Panipat. And as you can see in the map of India, children, he extended his empire to Gujarat, Kabul, Kashmir, and then to Bengal. So he had a large empire and he had good relationship with Rajputs also. Now, children, along with that, Akbar was also a very wise ruler. He was very wise and he wanted love from everyone and he loved everybody and he had a great respect for every person. And he divided his empire into provinces which was called as Subas. That is the government by a Subedar. And he was so kind that he stopped many taxes which were imposed on farmers which he thought would not be good if it is being imposed on the farmers. So he just stopped those collection of taxes from the farmers. Now here, children, you can see a comparison between the administration of Akbar and the administration which is in our country. So if we go through the empire of Akbar, children, we will see that Akbar had a huge empire which was divided into subas. That was near about 15. And that subas were again subdivided into sarkars, and those sarkars were again subdivided into parganas, and those parganas were again subdivided into villages. Now, if we look the administration of India, children, again it has been divided, our country has been divided into states, 28 states and 9 union territories, as you all know. And these states and union territories are again subdivided into districts, and again these districts are subdivided into Jila Parishad, and these Jila Parishad are again subdivided into Block Samiti, and the Block Samiti is again subdivided into villages. So you can just see that Akbar's mind was so systematic that he was also administering the India in the same way as India is being administered now. Now, children, based upon this explanation, I would like to ask you few simple questions. My first question is, children, that who was the first Mughal ruler in India? I repeat, children, who was the first Mughal ruler of India? Yes, children, you are correct. The first Mughal ruler of India was Babur. Now children, can you tell me what is Akbar popularly known as? Yes, you are right. Akbar is popularly known as Akbar the Great. He is known as Akbar the Great. Now my third question goes to you, that when was he born? Yes children, he was born in the year 1542. Now another question which I want to ask you is, who were the parents of Akbar? Who were the parents of Akbar? Yes children, you are correct. He was the son of great Mughal Emperor Humayun and his queen Hamida Banu Begum. Now my last question is, for how many years did he rule India? Yes, you are right children. He ruled for about 50 years. So this is all about an introduction about the chapter. In my next session, I will deal with the further part of this chapter. So read the chapter carefully, learn the spellings which I have given you and the exercises which I am going to give you in the PDF form. Thank you and have a nice day.